Hello guys, today we are going to study the concept of maximum safe speed along a curved road. Consider a curved road. A vehicle is moving on that curved road with a speed v, linear velocity v. The path of the vehicle is circular. The radius of the curved path is r. Since the vehicle is moving in circular path, it requires centripetal force, and the necessary centripetal force in this case is provided by the frictional force between the tire and the road surface. So the frictional force acts as the centripetal force in this case. The frictional force is directed towards the center of the circle. Let us show it with another marker. Frictional force. So the frictional force provides the necessary centripetal force. Therefore, frictional force is given by mu times the coefficient of friction between the tire and the road surface times the normal equals, and this you know, we have derived it, it is mv square by r or mr omega square. We will use mv square by r. Let us take this as capital R. We have taken this r as capital R. Now what is normal in this case? The vehicle is on a plane surface because the road is curved but it is plane, it is not banked road. The normal reaction and gravity, which is the weight of the object, are in opposite directions. So therefore n equals m, because the object is not moving in this direction, in the y direction, and hence it is in equilibrium in the y direction. Therefore the resultant of all the forces in the y direction should cancel each other, it should be 0. So therefore n equals mg. Now you could write this as mg, since n is equal to mg, equals mv square by r. Cancelling m and m will give you mu g equals v square by r. Therefore v square becomes mu r g and v becomes under root of mu r g. You should know one thing, that if the velocity is greater than this velocity, the object may get skid, because it may come out of this path, the vehicle may overturn, because whatever is the centripetal force, same magnitude, in same magnitude there is a force which is centrifugal force which acts in the opposite direction. If velocity increases, this will also increase, and what it may create, it may create an equal and opposite force which may overturn the vehicle, because if the force increases with velocity, this frictional force is not going to increase with velocity, and if the centripetal force, centrifugal force is more than the frictional force, the vehicle may overturn, and hence what is required is the maximum safe speed should be less than or equal to root mu rg. Sorry, the safe speed should be less than or equal to root mu rg, and the maximum limit of this safe speed V max is given by this equation, under root mu rg. So on every curved road you have a maximum safe limit. You should always drive below this limit. Your velocity should not be above the maximum safe limit, and it should not be equal to the maximum safe limit, because somehow if there is oil on the surface and mu decreases, decrease in mu will decrease the maximum safe speed, and if it decreases by 30 or 40%, if it decreases by 30 or 40%, your vehicle may have a velocity. For example, let me describe a scenario. A road has a maximum safe speed of 50 km/h, and you are driving with 40 km/h. Somehow there is an oil, and because of it, what happens is the maximum safe speed drops and it becomes 35 km/h because of oil or water on the surface. Now what will happen? Since you are moving at this speed, you will overturn. Your vehicle will overturn. There is a chance of overturning. And in fact, if this happens, you will overturn.